How to use multiple layers in KineMaster. First of all, open KineMaster and create a new project by importing your main video or background clip. Next, tap on the layer button and choose what type of layer you want to add. This could be media, text, overlay, handwriting, or even effects. After selecting the type, import your desired image, clip, or text to place it over your main timeline. You can adjust each layer by resizing, rotating, or dragging it around the screen to position it exactly where you want. To add more layers, just repeat the same steps. Tap layer again and stack multiple elements on your timeline. You can layer in logos, subtitles, stickers, or even animations. Each layer will appear in the timeline and can be trimmed, moved, or adjusted individually. Now you know how to use multiple layers in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.